Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Taste of Teranga. So today we're making some chocolate crepes. For the ingredients we need flour, glass of milk, eggs, melted butter, vanilla extracts, bon mama chocolate for the ends, sugar, and nutmeg. So guys, you can have it for breakfast or snacks. It's up to you. Okay, so now I'm going to add all the ingredients together. So right now I'm just showing you how to make simple and easy crepes, but sometimes you can add some fruit or make them like you want it. Okay, so it's time for the milk, and we're going to blend until we get a smooth batter like this. Our batter is smooth. I'm adding some salt, mix it all together like this. Now it's time to make our crepes. Alright guys, like you see, so going to spread all on the pan like this. Set it and turn it on the other side. Our crepes are ready, guys. I'm sorry I didn't show you how to turn it because my phone was full enough, but next time I will show you. So I'm spreading some chocolate on the top. Ta-da! Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing recipes. Bye.